And if you people of Zambia are not getting upset with what is going on, it's high time that we start getting upset. Otherwise, we risk our country going into oblivion. I mean, government announces austerity measures. 2 days later, the Minister of Health is breaking ground for a construction of a hospital in Mambwe district with borrowed money from China. Surely, people of Zambia, are we going to be taken for a ride by this useless government that keeps on thinking Zambians don't think, to try and keep up appearances with the donors, to try and keep up appearances with the Zambians? They announced hostility measures. 2 days later, last night on TV, I was watching Chitalu Chilufya breaking ground for a construction of a district hospital in Mambwe district. If really we don't get upset as Zambians, these are reasons why we must remove this government of Edgar Lungu. I have said and I want to say it again. Lesangale fokufumya abantu mu kifulo alabala abalo wechilafi. Because really, I don't see how serious this government is. Because they are discussing with the IMF to try and get another loan for balance of payment, they go and cheat the whole world that we are stopping all borrowing that is in the pipeline and that we are going to reduce on the projects. And yet 2 days later, he goes to mislead the people of Eastern Province that they are breaking ground for the construction of a hospital with money borrowed from China. What kind of deceit and inconsistency is this? I think we need to be serious as Zambia. Otherwise, look, how can you have a president who is a lawyer, says KCM is under liquidation, at the same time they go and appoint a management for the continued running of KCM? What nonsense. When you are liquidating a company, you are winding up a company to stop operation. After the winding up is done, the liquidation, that company is supposed to be removed from the registrar of companies and it will never exist anymore. This is the mode that you see, in Sonia Ubuntu, Ndaba Mishini Nava Nenu Vamichita advise that liquidation is wrong, stop it. The best you can do is to stop it and change the approach. But because this president is so arrogant, he doesn't want to get advice. He's a know-it-all person, and yet he's simply a drunkard. How can you go for liquidation and appoint a management to continue running the company as a going concern? Can we please put our house in order as Zambia and do the right thing? And let me talk about this issue of Kalusha Bwalia. You see, let us not be selfish as Zambians. Kalusha Bwalia is a soccer icon for football. Kalusha Bwalia has made this country to be on the world map in as far as football is concerned. You cannot come and treat him like a piece of shit. When you talk about international organizations like CAF and FIFA, people have been there for 20 years, 15 years. You want to pretend as if when FAS changes, the current vice president should go and represent the country at CAF. It doesn't work like that. I want to appeal to Kamanga to stop being selfish and stop fighting Kalusha Bwalia for nothing. This fight against Kalusha Bwalia started when Rupia Banda was president. And it was all about supporting the Easterners. And we are seeing it today again because President Lungu is from Eastern Province. Can you leave Kalusha Bwalia to go and represent Zambia at CAF? Because that is what Kalusha Bwalia does. Kamanga, you are a businessman, business executive. That's being selfish. You have got something you do. Kalusha Bwalia only knows football. And leave Kalusha Bwalia to represent Zambia. And why is the president quiet over this issue of Kalusha Bwalia? Don't promote tribalism just because Kamanga is from Eastern Province. Can you allow Kalusha Bwalia to go and represent Zambia? Because that's what he knows. He has done it and he will do it again. Thank you very much.